Mofa Emra Badwam Jumedi so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, and so Oshare live. Ewo ehodom. So as na multi TV jiggy box no so no be share live on so or yes streaming on Facebook and YouTube. YouTube here Adom TV. Adom TV. Facebook here Adom TV Extra. Etukwa like share emo bi so nya bi ehweja comment was here. Every paper general can kind nyina e dia my fana say come St. Andrews College of Health as sinful so o match say here admission. And the patch student who are nya empo D7 E8 and F9. Ubetimi a nurse na mana ye. Ubetimi a nursing ama no ayeye. And don't even waste your time on remedials. Do a 2-year healthcare certificate program and proceed to level 200 to pursue BSc Public Health Nursing. Umpena pe St. Andrews College of Health. Yamo mutumi krato mre yo mojumanti. Wa pese uko nursing school papankwa de St. Andrews College of Health here wo asimfo so na mekanfo area ma open chemu ya frame 0546 212 637 0546 212 637 and 0242 863 658 0242 863 652. St. Andrews College of Health, we have passion for quality of health care. Kingdom Homes and so any out of pacho baby ya obetimi adwudwu huye obeda an se waba wankasa fiem na woda dia eye Kingdom Homes and amekanfo e dia maw omu fie ko estate mu wonu mu a opede abofa mame baako na me say na me visit wonu tim say roba fie mu fie pa kona ko hwese na estate mu akasa kra etie akwanda so ensuo flow en kania bakama kama Kingdom Home Estate no hwehwemo ewo Akropom right after Latte Junction. Free 0536 149 961 0536 149 961 and 0302 939 987. Komo chene pefi papa eto. You say ubetimi between 50 to 70%. They can spreading message 2 years the amount. We trade kakra. Kingdom Home or no challenger. Awe forward na say yebetwe nkombo amfa jakese nkoma member of parliament for New German South and deputy minister of trade and industry Michael Kofi Ochrebefi na mention na adwuma pa we constituency one of the MPs omubo adwuma yi panti meteze so ko onopose no na enyanwa kura ura constituency no yes menyini se bibi obi amanfo nhwe no mo nsetimi aka but dodo no also otimi ene de ene kakra manhu no I think say these are some of the things they share say other members of parliament so betimi ade aboa wo manfo in their various constituencies. So kudos to Ejimapa ya wo Michael Kofi Ochre Befe. Erica J, member of the NDC National Communications Team. Alfred Thompson, a member of the NPP National Communications Team. Alfred Wakodia.
That is a nipple ballet mona old chair on the first, who bonny din first. As a chair, yes, our ballet, that or elite. And on chair and Saint our elite. Opesado. Anyway, greetings from Dr. Alaji Mamubo. Or say, chair, this year, the year of possibilities. Into a baby, ya dream pa. Now you want dream say, oh, sorry, and a pabia, oh, cockrooma, catch and say, may call. Now it will be possible. Now come back with glory. Ebe so.
Dr. Badwam for president
2024. On one oko.
Okay.
We who your friend saying Dokuna Apro. Na wo de ato nchen. Na wo si ofufura wo to enye den ti me kofa Dokuna Apro abedi bio. Wo betimi aye.
Sa ade asede.
Wo betimi aye.
Ade asede na ase.
Ase ya, ase. Na ase ya mu pese mu force on to us Ghanaians.
Ntu be dey mo no sa.
Here, see how baby we are seeing do no. There's a global economic crunch. There's a world turmoil in economies. And they say we know be a one year support economy.
Okay.
Now we to me take over. Any holiday will be the honeymoon.
Medase.
Any honeymoon na yebedi.
Okay.
Na ye probia woman ejuma he's taking off straight away because he understands the problems are ekoso. No be say oh dey my grace period na me go that 1 year. Me wa catch you say 4 years now or ba no. no president can solve a problem within 4 years. Now 4 years then so she. No, we all say mami a honeymoon. Honeymoon I feel na woko wo ana I feel na woko ye.
4 years no honeymoon.
4 years no more honeymoon. I feel na woko wo ana I feel na woko ye there. Ghanaians to reject
Alfred Thompson.
Any Rotterdam.
Yame Adom.
Akwa banso.
I didn't know we elite.
So we.
Yame Adom.
Yame ase. Mechia mini afraid.
Oh, afisha pa. Maybe me afisha pa. Afisi say na wo ba a program in temp to come and say why am losing elections.
Yame ase. Afisi say na yeguso aye transition. Yana yeji aban krata. Ede ama
MB before.
Yes. Na corrupt elements na woman no.
Oh, okay.
Ye ba be prosecute you.
Unless mo ba ya na mo start
here. Say me makase John Mahama ba no fight corruption na me nya hwe wa ban mu amepe. Because there were a lot of thieves in this government. They think that the country belongs to them. So anytime they behave as if they Ghana na your modia. And let me sit here and tell me new opinion afraid. Kasa na o kan say no ntiase. Because you won't say 2024 abana yekon no kre ne atro na ekwa
okay.
Dr. Bawumia Jina Homa Atro, a symbol of lies.
Oh, Debbie.
Oh, maybe, let me talk. I will justify. Or cast out the sitting vice president, a symbol of lies. And Ura John Dramani Mahama Jina Homa and Idaso.
Symbol of corruption.
I am saying so because also being fair now, see a man on honeymoon. John Mahama on record, Obedi Ghana Kunya 4 good years. Ni 4 good years no ye, no chewe near Uhudi or ye. And never be dear Kunya. Almost 8 good years muni ekwi. You are the head of economic management team. Kase wukrum ha nyina ba wumi alaji wo na okan e. Ene wani magu ase. Ghana ni bia cheche obi anim se onye nokwafo. So I am telling you the gospel truth. Ade adima ba wumi apa ne se odi campaign message beba for 2024. Ghana for yes ye danso mu ne ada. Remember let me talk. Yes ye danso mu ne ada. Ye kodware ye ne ye pie. Into odinso gina nanum be kasa kire years ago ye ne Ghana atoba ha no. What is he coming to tell us again? Oh no oboso nam. Ka na tifiri wa mana kwasha amenamu e kwasha amenamu wie ya. Choku no kita wa mfa nto. E kwato amenamu wie o se ye ma o ka ki. Na onim se ka no kwasha amenamu na ki na kan. You were the same mate now te ka no ho. Enti so wo adwempa bi anka ka no ko reverse nka o de chalk ne to. You couldn't do this. And you are saying you have a new vision. New vision from where? Everybody knows you are a liar. And credibility matters in the next election na yekono. Baby ye do no. Ye nye deceptive leaders here the omo be DSO. And fear so na ye de ma wono dollar and na tie tuan. And the open dollar 12.5. We left it around 4.2. Inflation there ko ye could do 50% na. Atete aba 23%. No could be more reflected. When was the last time I saw cement? Unim cement bag bo. Mimi chrome near 2027 no time another dollar another 4.2 no. And that cement me chrome ye 84 Ghana cedis. Now o meme ye pencil cocoa bag. Who carry bag it me to cement be 15 bags. And the same bag and to how many cement. And you are telling us it is possible. What is your understanding of possible here? You have more than 10 months for the year to end and some of bemu. Who magic beer do it now. Motiana mo yere mo ne mo ma mo make up no mo ye no. Mo ka say governance about CHP ani. Manage the economy. Why ye ni abreo. Hwe baby o man na do no kwasi wo de ya entrance 15 cedis. Nti na what you din no. So sorry anopa. Now show colleagues on your motena classroom about 5 me send 50 cedis, 15 cedis and 20 cedis. You get my pain. And these elements are in government. Their interest is we are buying say yes, say quiet, yes, say insu mo nwene dache. Then you tell Ghanaians that it is possible. Possible. Send your program with Triaton. And the crew at the Papa Benny, ye na assassin, Sam need me to be. Where's the land? Mamboefo. Proceed.
What's the symbol of the
Akufo's Ekumafi comment unfortunate.
My main responding man.
Contradicts presidential.
Yeah, fashion we no be can. We no cranya. The ebe can in na
fani nyina afra.
I didn't say waste time. Waste time. I didn't say waste time. When him say woman 2 seconds to respond to him.
Alfred, me say fani nyina afra. It's 2 seconds no.
2 seconds. Who can say na camera respond na camera.
It's afra.
Na fa respond there.
Me respond.
So your mama say President Akufo comment on a Ekumafi development no unfortunate. I don't know if the president was spot on.
First, I remember being an say, or say Dr. Baumia is a symbol of lie. obi a wo se otwantro nso otumi ye edwuma mo obi ehu edwuma or ya or they tackle kitashi she the pro ya wo obi animu as a presenter obi dia wo de bae ye bo president bi adin wo Ghana wo Google the president of corruption mana din na eba the most corrupt president a ye hu wo Ghana ha within 4 years wo be can say o ye wo edwuma ye de be cheche within 4 years you borrowed $21 billion and then you can say MPP you're borrowing a 13 billion 8 years 13 billion who be catch him say 4 years $21 billion I'm borrow it my ejuma because more 3 or 4 projects to show for $21 billion and then who be kasa obi a president echina edu baby ana eye ya ana eye den say ye beka kitase sheni prayer asem and then you get someone or buyer even though all share economy ni hadi or say listen let us tackle corruption in a different way no be digitalization na ag proyening kitase share mo de share ho buyer no and my friend saying Bank of Ghana $1.2 billion na kan mo de koye interoperability under Akufo kobisa no that time no ye a member of the board. What say $1.2 billion? We are must Ghana yeniska. Yeah, you broke. My grade na me na Adom. Sana mukache when we are handing over. We've corrected things. Unfortunately, no, there was a world turmoil in our affecting. Ubetra haka say yen bu mani. Ma say man ma ya be yen ma and I attractive ma mumpo mo person be debut. Mumpo person be debut. Don't go there. Ekumafi. Adentina, the leaders and elders of Ekumafi, Omoba president. What was their main purpose? That is what you should interrogate. That is what you should interrogate. Am I worried? So, this year, dem film Ghana for. So, this year, Mbran be juma. Ma Ghana mpuntu Mbran na ye start say you say, oh ye juma no de nyama tutu ye. Ma no bi mpo control eyi okosign wo eyi Air Force about planes near they are not to be approve wa ha ma ye white paper won so all of a sudden this year no kohwim bepem ene obia ni ma de ko this year no and they were worried so they came to the president and inti na omo ba president o say omo this year omo enhu mo se oye odu ye. And up till now, you to me for report in Brazil because Obiawu unexpectedly, sir. Report what kind of share was here then call my friends 37. What can be chi?
Going those 90, sir.
Obiawu ye. Trap pictures.
Going those 90, sir.
Yeah, trap pictures.
According to
pictures and Mbappe Besum.
According to the then head of communication at Osu Castle say. The then president was in an ambulance.
Pictures now ye traba papers no mo. Nkrofo hu ya omo traba ye. Nyame na me hu yo. Omo traba papers no. So you want to tell us that the people were lying? You want to tell us that the people were lying? That is one of the reasons that Nana Akufo buy hu said Debi and say ye boa Ghana man. It is obi yare na obi wa. Ye fa ambulance. So he bought ambulances for all the districts. Plus 10 more no the see all. Say we spare ones are be used for certain places. That is one of the reasons.
It is the
and then may catch up say Nanado.
Okay.
Oh, there also.
Okay.
No, no say this will not happen in Ghana again. Into my young top ambulance. In Finsisi baby. Over 275 constituencies.
In fact, there are over 300 ambulances.
Thank you. But over 275 constituencies. Every constituency has an ambulance.
But we will tell you,
and then we be catching and say, yen moment because we haven't built this. We haven't gone to overrate and build a hospital to say what's going on. So
for now,
ambulance are here the econo. And no here.
And Jaffe, me say, we phone call some person kuhunu ni kun Professor John Evans Tatabe.
Yes.
Say President Nyeden.
Say President no. Bisa because President Bisa. Maybe President Bisa for autopsy report no from the hospital and in Sabeka. And the president didn't demand the autopsy report no.
President was interested to know what killed Atamils.
once anybody brings it up, no, the president can ask for it.
The president will interest.
Or interest
to know the former.
Say, as a former president, no, during his reign about 4 years, no, said Bibi Wohai should bring it out. That wasn't his priority. His priority was to make sure, say, the lives in this country will be saved. People in this country will be helped. That was the interest of the president.
For now, President Bayer then when your autopsy report.
Obisa 37. He can ask for it. He can command for it.
Now, in the public and they
are for
the president make kwaji autopsy report in the command.
Obetro.
Oh, you say ni na dey say. Say all trade akwa na say obisa me dey abano.
Enye dey say. Oka say president Kojia. Beka say okọ akwa. Obetro say yema busa for no copy because they need a copy of the autopsy report. Because busa for na kasa kohwa. They might dey.
Na busa ni bi ani ho.
As far as we are hearing today, no, ebusia penny ne say. Obia and
ebusia penny ne hwan.
Maami na okasa no okasa oh.
Oso onya busia penny.
Okasa on behalf of the
busia.
Oh, the American would see me. They say maami na okasa no. Okasa on behalf of the busia because ebusia na ba no ho na mo asuma no.
But let me just say eno ma no nye ebusia penny.
Menka say oye busia penny. Okay. What I was saying, you didn't let me finish.
Okay.
Now let me say maami na okasa. Who say busia penny e mana? Na make catch say maami na okasa ye no. Okasa on behalf of the busia because almost say busia na be hu as ohima. And as ohima no wa president ho no. E so the two nedim. Say asema o me bi say ni.
Okay.
So say o me bi sasa. She has every age to come into the
office say president em contact Atame busia penny. Now, Mr. say Ebusuani are aware of the autopsy report. Rather than say, or him man be di Ebusuanim see a common penny honum, say man penny ye dish ye no, ye who autopsy report, ye who dear economy wa Atamis Ebusuan will be penny.
Okay. So what you are trying to tell me is say Obi ba president or no be ordinary between the man. As a president can say train, Mamin could be sa Ebusuan penny no, and Casa say obe cancer actually answer. So they've brought a problem to the president. The problem, the president has to take steps.
Alfred, but you see, Yamini Penny, a far Atamis wone the we are yen. After you to muscle mindset, any money be a time.
Which in your man a time?
For so or him man be dear any Modiaco president one. So could be said the autopsy report of the late president
on behalf of.
Debbie,
on behalf of
it's not even be on behalf of mine. Because Mr. say, yeah, autopsy report. After what him say, me mammy weird. Ye free bushia. So why no Baba Jinem about me a autopsy report? And I'm a wafer. And you will be man coin no cojinem. It ya be saying, say, Professor Atamis Wuyen, the push you need beyond quoted the 7 1 1 autopsy report.
When you become the property of government, you are no mean a person.
Yes, better.
Ebusuani nya wudi abiu.
It na government hu ni pebie ni wo. Na ebusuani hu ni pebie ni.
Na government ni pa ye wo ho no. Odo na o kan say your friends eh. We say or say your friends ambulance mpo the na ne ko ye public no so traffic so mo che say.
Me so kokko ndi wo na ko gina.
Nti wa na ko gina ho.
No, certainly be a country.
So that is why the people have come to ask. Because they don't know. They've come to ask the president.
So they go
baby president
why should you ask the president?
No, omu baby president
What report on president?
Omu catch president say on brim. At least because omu bisa autopsy report. Oh, see. What is question? Mama more answer. Omu say omu bisa autopsy report na Mozanka.
Everyone.
I don't know. If you ask me this question, I don't know. Their meeting say omu kanu. And I'm repeating it for you. Say omu bisa autopsy report na Mozanka. So I'm called 37 no, so I'm called Hifo, so I'm called Cardinal Atamus Bada or Cardinal Mills, so no, said then I don't know. But almost your baby sa Omozanka. It's a president in Bomoding, it was a 40 or no, or him man. It's all by and almost say the Omuhiani the copy of the report.
You could have to make us say, and then maybe one more. I think say your president, and so because certainly Obi or common penny will be the national security gets a briefing of reason for coming. Answer am come and
say what the baby back. Sometimes what the baby back how would they stop?
No, it's like say and maybe one more say omo anya sa briefing before say come and pen were different. But I think say maybe one more after say it me so as on mine. Because for you to tell me say Atamis autopsy report
you Yabekacho say the chiefs and queen mothers of this traditional area want to come and see you for national development issues. Say Okoduho no the baby beka ho. President Tinubu catch say Madam Jade Awoka no and now him Jade Awoka no. You have to listen. Okay, I'll see you what obehwe mama omo. That's all. Why any there? It's the only thing he will do or the thing he can do is to write to the he say make copy for the ebusia.
Okay.
Or yes, I don't say anything wrong with it. But there are say we need to understand what went on. Then it went to another A level.
Okay.
Listen, na yet na hano, ya ba na people, ye joking idea. Sometimes you want to make things light a bit.
Sure.
Ebia asema obisa no, president wants to cool her down.
Okay.
Into all can say, oh, when we say mutu me de share nti. Say to me a development man because obian no obeba be kasa am. Until the queen mother comes there say, oh ebia yen ABC they are not president ko ho who is going to speak on their behalf?
The MC.
The MC. How many times that MC ought to make a president or apart from the I'm telling you, say when you have an MP, it's easier for you to get certain things done for you.
It is and so can we arrogate the power of development to members of parliament. When we know say enya sanet here. Ebina akoka your district assembly elections the premium we place on the person and the money panel dimu. And now you book MPs for development chain your MC.
President J kind no can say yen to MCs na DCs one abano. What did our people say?
They be average.
What did our people say? Listen, don't let us go down that
okay. Say Pampeni say Mutu abadi ti a member of parliament no. Enti ma adwen free mo so kakra.
Yes. Because not on Baminche. Because listen, that's the first person I am in the cabinet minister, deputy minister role.
Yeah.
But he had access, full access to the president 24/7.
The MC ni yede. MC reporting ma one
MC reports to the local government minister.
No one in Saka.
Now, listen.
Why should president meet MPs for development?
MPs are there to lobby for projects for their communities.
Okay.
And that is what is happening.
Okay.
Whether we like it or not, MPs lobby for projects.
Yeah.
Entina Kennedy oko asensu ho oko ye dede wo no. Nkrofo na ka che ne say asensu dia wa ye no ebrunti ase.
Okay.
Asensu has worked in his constituency.
Okay.
So the people love him.
Bantama.
Okay. So the people love him. Enti wo ko ye
a general love.
Wo ko ye no na wo ko ka che ne say wo maami ekukonte seller. That is not what is going to let him lose his elections. Because why ye juma mo.
Okay. Just a confused Bantama.
Oh, massa.
Eric.
So when MPs are working,
okay.
When you make an MP, a minister, and that is what is in our constitution.
Okay.
Say 60% should be what? Ministers.
Yeah.
Now, when you make him a minister, no, access to the president is easier.
Okay.
Lobbying for certain things, even though there's MC is there to do his work near the end, MC, I'm report you, local government minister. Local government minister puts it together. Then we'll send it to cabinet. Say,
okay.
We pay. You better apportionment in now. Okay, you bet me have one way says here. You to me here way says here. You to me here way. You bet me here way. So when you lose your MP and who is also a minister at that time now, you've lost a lot of things.
So does it mean now it becomes most of the constituencies now development in court because MPs any the side of the sitting government now.
It happens. Whether we like it or not, let's speak the truth. It happens.
Okay.
Because a MP or and especially when it becomes aligned to the certain government now, getting certain things for yourself is easy.
Okay.
Faster and easier than when you don't have an MP.
Okay.
When you don't have an MP, then a mature process, no. They will look at the open basket.
Okay.
Now, alignments near there, and that will be done by the local government minister and the team the distribution of resources near there.
But constituency development ensure that anyone know. We can now boldly hold the MPs responsible. Some counting and Sanka development team.
Oh yes, you can do that. You can tell the MP say you didn't lobby well for us.
Okay.
And that's why we didn't get certain development. And I'll give you a bright example. To say ambulance here, I can't want to say if you are taught ambulance, it be 400. Now, me a certain MP, I can lobby to get 2 in my district, especially when I see that my district most here no there, but to me in 2. I can do that, and these are some of the things are ebwa. We want there no. So, say listen, muji in the field hono, and mama dream famous kakra, but this year dear development BIS no, the more dear account to make sure say you get your upgrades
in the meeting.
Yes. He told them, say, their ABC distribution be make sure say Ekumafi Modia Sefatano Monsabeka. And that is a sign of a bold leader. A leader Andre who say ebia me ko see overbridge or wha ahina menya ahye bobotom. Ana me ko see housing development ahina menya ahye bobotom. Ansana wa akoye.
So to you
are see hospital ahina menya ahye bobotom.
Mampenia some finish say na yasema wo kan dia adwojo akoma because of
or kan dia adwojo akoma because of insem
no buy no okay.
2 or can to let them see say listen, sometimes you need your MP.
The reality on ground.
You need your MP to do certain things for you because you can't be coming to me every day. So I say, "Ebi I'm here, me here. You need your MP to do that for you. And your MP who is a minister has the chance to do it better for you.
Eti after my say Manu da sumina so say MPP free power 2024. Na say to me a development project anko
MPP there.
If Manu da sumina so MPP free power in 2024. Na say 2025 going say NPP strongholds development anko hon mu a NPP frontier say o ma ban the power entinya do mo sabeka sa development no sir.
They should see say if they let us lose power, chances of them getting certain developments, minimal. Yeah, to make a fast sword, and swear on our firstborns to get those developments.
Okay.
Until they are also and say, let us all come together, put everything aside. Nana do we need there. Obiae ba Mahama be we need there. Nana do we need there. Says ye bob brako ye ni bob bra nko ye chi.
Eti amafo Ashanti should hold members of parliament or more MPP afano.
Not responsible across the country. And those seats those seats that we lost, people should now see, say, let us bring our MPs back to fight boldly for us. Because they will go and lobby and get projects for you.
Okay.
I implore every Ghanaian, ma etim na kam ne fantun chen. Etim na kam on fa development mba.
Okay.
Na sanko fasu wochi. Until they should put everything aside and forge forward and know that the best person who can help us and who will help us to develop Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and in the MPs. And I believe, say, by the Fifth Republic, it will get more than 140 MPs in Parliament.
May you mulaba na mene Eric Ajay.
Over 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Why? Me mark Eric. Ubenya ne pepepe. Why? Nyame nshira. Every say my boys no edisika. Mulabre aso. E ba ese. Kwa ba biem efa Emra Mpensenpensemu so on Badwam on Adom TV. Eric Ajay, a member of the NDC National Communications Team. Eric.
Yeah, kwasi e be time.
Master Koso.
Eric.
About 9:10.
Eric.
We'll start.
20 minutes.
Eric.
So I'm
less than
10. You should be fair here multimedia.
Eric,
okay, equal 20 minutes. Me that say. What's your name? Me senior okasa na me hwe ni din. Ewie na we free Ekumafi du Bantama. And we did do all MPs. But if clearly say na okasa there, I was a Ghana for in 2024. Titru ni Asante Mantemu. Eho na MPPs no dodo na wo. Eho so na mpuntu abom se de Johnson aba akoko. Monse Samuel sem na MPs no President Akufo Addo ne na pamfo kire se baby a on sitting MPs no eho na ho kire wo. Enti se obi atena wo so bi ti se KTM atena so almost 24 years. Na wa bra bo se de tie ni na osan koto aba ma MPP a wo na wo a problem. And the BM Professor Miles baby obi anyame mfa ne kransie na me Eric Ajay me ogidie se mre na odane to ne benkum na Nyankopon hyehye na me ye Kristoni Bible so ma yete ase se yete ase a ye Awurade dia ye wunso a ye ne dia enti Nyankopon na owoda ye de wu nipa no ono nenim da nipa besen akọ ne krachi enti ene baby a Professor Miles be bo bredi drew Ghana soma osom ye impact will make here. Say Nyankopon in the wisdom what to nsa frɛ no na ye wonipa omo so Nyankopon na bi ne bo omo hu ni say na mre nso ya Nyankopon ne na ni omo bedi obia ne omo ne hweka but me nua pani kwaku ayido ho o chemi pi o obia na me admire a lot Oko Deputy General Secretary me I was then constituency communication officer I voted for him I campaigned for him but one shen year. Oh, huni ye. The akan animonim. No, I need threat. Me tune for us, many a penny.
Yes,
so one shen year. Baby, or then a brab one am, oh, huni ye. Because my makers are much. Professor Melson, Yanni Papa. It is to be a busia, after this year, our Bob Brent to say. Now, when I feel our Kayo Moyawa, you suffer the same pain in your family. Yes.
Oh, Eric.
Yes, he will suffer same. Because some of us, we got so excited in NDC because of the demeanor of Professor Mills. Professor Mills, who you want to know Ghana here.
And Coco and you do.
Ntienne, Afibia Swan, just a one who did Difunu. Now Difunu who call entourage. No, I call envelope, no, I call Tenefi. Say, and who know did
Oh, how?
Did you papa for no dachi?
Ah.
ABM, you are here telling me, say, autopsy report. President Akufo in a former wife was Eliano, Mamponino, we na Nanwada, Menke Busiana Yao, or Koye Bibi Momono, or the autopsy report on a Kahokoma, Nanamo.
How can you compare
Me Busau's
wife?
President Akufo, former wife, Nano, so Koye Bibi,
have you gone to the family
for that project?
Have you gone to the family
the autopsy report? Stop that!
You should stop that. You shouldn't bring Akufo the wife. You don't do that. That's a certain president you are talking about. Stop it. No. These things should stop. These things should stop. No. You cannot bring the former president, the president's wife. Former wife is the wife will not Eric Yemko. Yeah, Eric stick to the topic.
In 2016, MPP campaign Okruma. Nanado Danko Ekufuado Bonto, and Alaji Bawumia so Bontoa. Alaji Bawumia, Nakwada no dine chipa Kwabena Buedu. Kwabena Buedu hotel hono kwada ya de chi ya no wuda dem no. Ni autopsy report Kwabena Buedu de no. Bawumia de akoma na busuanfo. Ade na tente wo twa moto na da bia motreja. Yenim de kun Kwabena Buedu. Edan na oda mu owu ye no hwan na na wo so oda sa adan mu a wa na mu on ne kodam. They shouldn't dare some of us. They shouldn't dare some of us. We are good for me. You see,
But he's lying. He's lying. Woman and this for better now mo chat for now you say Alfred. Stop it. Everybody knows what happened. Go and have family somebody reporter. And then you come talk about
Eric Yemko.
They're not like you people.
Eric Yemko.
Kwabena Buedu. Ya no di Alaji Bawumiachi. Obeye me ko by then. Edan na ode mu ade chi ade wo sesebe akokwa ewu no. Yours is right. Stop that.
You should stop it. It's not right.
You see, you people you behave as if say moje mu no ye different because they are talking about two different quality of people. What sort of behavior? Any mo share people hand you I can't talk of
have they come to complain
you are not being fair on the show. Please have
they come to complain these are the things you should ask him questions. Make us will be questions.
Eric Yemko. No, it's so painful.
Eric Yemko.
It's so painful.
Have they come to report to you? Eric Yemko. Have they come to
Eric Yemko.
Let me tell you this. You know I respect you so much. I respect you so much. I make us a Micho. When you are not you. You know one at Tehano. Because you know one at Sunday school. You know one at P1, P2, Koya Bedu baby Edruno. And then you know one at Sorry. You know one at a classroom. By a peer, more person would just a moon in Yazado. When it appear, and on automono. So the president, as a leader of the country, at the end of the hand, so entertaining that conversation. Is he a medical doctor? And that dear Dr. Akufo Ubi una yehu no autopsy or no one yakwa. Does it make sense? Common try knowledge. Does it make sense? Well, me a JB down kwedu. Yeah, you kokum ni ya gabi yo chene da akodi atwede ye koforo soro ho so ko radio them. For now you yan autopsy report. My presenting the Magana. Was he not a member of parliament?
I for gabi di
atwede. Video na ba na gabi di atwede foro soro no wan.
Video ben.
Stop that question.
No, Eric.
Me say Eric. Time na. Let's security for no ko fie. Sa video no wan bi.
Say.
Okay, wan hu bi aja kan.
No,
JB Dankwadu was a sitting member of parliament. We ni some Canadian Japan be kan kruma party for mpanimfo ane yesi ye de ne ka e ka mu betua nti according to Kennedy nam say no kra mu no fa mu wuye be sin na ni autopsy report mo de ama na yire na
ba me say gabi ye no
adan
me pacho Eric me pacho gabi de no ye ni any video wa han mo a e kire say okay me da say
hwe obi wo Professor Melson kwa na ye nipa Yankopon abo na wawu da na even the sofo mpa na wo gidie wo ni mu a ne ho na ko TB Joshua onwi TB Joshua yare da ho no wu ye na no ada ye te ha COVID ba ye Tanzania what's the name of the president no wu Magufuli what country no onye sitting president no wu ye ana we ye sitting president a owo no botraw wow baby yedu no the conversation should be about obi yawa wo kai obi ni na busuan and this winim say hwere ade pa say why campaign di obi abon to asa wo bebu oman na ote akonwa so no you think say ye ni pain mo na mo wa ban mu no da bia mo didi owuo no mo de ye campaign ne de hia mo but I'm telling you say Professor Mills Kra e da bi pa asotwe bi e wo so de makwakwa ido ho mfama no because untimi ni di nipa wo hu afi bia na do je white envelope ne brown me de manu si form no
that evidence
oh masamaka Eric ni evidence ben no what di obi copy job to say isi e family member obi anka kwa do won kan it's some kind of uni evidence kwa e di atamis wo no e talk to the person what do white envelope tiny pie outside okay yes boni ben de aye no Bonnie Bennett, Nebusian for Mu Titibes in the autopsy report to send the Bunadakam. On edge. What sort of behavior is that? Simple question, Obusan, baby, and ordinam. President Akufo, a lawyer of a good standing, as they claim then. Offer a constitution, now called under Article 36 2D, a directive principle of state policy. It doesn't matter so be na to abama and you be na to abama. Now say, Nana. Most mo ye imposters amode ba na nim say the card ma mail so mo kana mo say mo ye imposters once amode ba o say di mo atoma amode ko mu krum o say mo anto aba ma atukujo nti na dwonso abom say de aba akoko na enye ade bia na so di agro President Akufo is fan of doing that is the core language or ye extreme partisan to the extent to say belong to baby or one na wonye nipa e de na see ye na no adam po kwa Asante regional court na Uteke FM then o ka kire kwa breeze for o se kwa breeze for so o makwanye nyo no na ka se wan so obi nsa so o monkoto abama no na o te kwa breeze na o ye form o na o tim no ebiem na no ada nsuo yiri ya e favor region for no papa itimi kan se aduasa mienu gu so kotena o ka kire o mo se mo kra mo nto abama me
yes I know
now President Akufo Addo nya Ghana for na ye mistake anka was a di president of Ghana you are the mess in the economy obefa Ghana say na net here. And you have these leaders, bunch of hypocrites among kind of chrome and ye yodium, and now to Ghana training. Now, baby, a Ghana edry, ye hear penny or cassa sabi or can wisdom, the unity never. We need a unifier. Kwasi baby, a Ghana edry, fenny a canyon sin castle. And then one who crow much a say a good quota, chebi. Until a young one was to be Busel Kumfi project, I also want to about money MP. But the question is, common fund in church and I say other development funds na ye de kono ye de obi owo MP o wa ban mu na share na release their funds for them enya wanwa just some few months ago who say local government ministry no omo sorry won atoshi so omo say NDC MPs ni bi Richard Achampon Ahmed Ibrahim projects omo de call omo constituency MPP for no kranya the question na me busa me ho say 11 na yetua no ye gifiri mo party for no bottom. Now no other 21% na ye kwa akoto electricity aye ba betua no say MPP for ne tua mo ye wudi for dodo the way you think is as if Ghana belongs to one political party is that how to reason as leaders when the more you are creating a monster for the future and say here Ghana ye practicing democracy so nipa ye bone ye ntumi nka because the more ye den one mo kire ye nyansa o I am telling you, the more because from day one, President Mahama bet in opposition be seen there. Obu and Ibu, Mumani be da. Obu, you know those circumstances. At time more deeper pay, and then more can fan home, and fear na pen obedi you, but Ghana for in a track record, in the legacy. What you name now, will be an our banking sector, yeah, public debtor, what's the NDC Ajibosia MPP. No, but Ghana can o me hwe mo je from Akufo ho me wo je from Akufo onye $9 billion then na wo ka mo fi so nye $21 billion ko bisa wo sesi aka ne na mo hwe sesi aka ne timi try din trend se ona na mo hwe ko check wo wo nim da wo ka wo be ka say $9 billion to $30 billion to the extent say oh my God ye timi $21 billion because for the past 50 years we be show of Ghana ye nye DD da What is Ghana yet?
Everywhere they happen.
But under President Akufo-Addo, Kenya, reckless Mahama leadership.
Kenya,
and the Ghana,
model
you a deficit.
Mama for model.
Maybe I may say.
That's not no beside question. Because no beside question. I'm so many country.
The Ben, what is Ghana? What is baby? But under President Akufo-Addo,
it's happening now. It's happening now in other countries. It's added to all yet my hand one. David, yeah, can you crazy? See, I'm going to
Okay.
And when this for some no be in Ghana bobre and every reasonable being reasonable is underlined. In himself President Akufo-Addo ne ba wumi aye mess e Ghana because we have left the economy here when am wono ambulance mo fa nipa no yare na mo de ne come straight oba hospital be na we see of ambulance
empty coffins
rage ne so nipa na ambulance
renovation Ghana's market be amokobiano sa ebeka bi out of 0593809227 dependudum etu ekotomidi de akwesi ensia dadwada ebesa de bedwem aso akra